Assalamualaikum to Dr. Ishaku and my fellow classmates. Today, we are going to look at what actually happens inside a camera when you press the shutter button. It isn't just magic, it is a three-part relay race known as the digital imaging chain. In this video, we will break down the primary functions of the lens, the imager, and the recorder. By the end, you will understand how light from the world around you is transformed into the digital photos you see on your screens every day. First, we begin with the lens, which acts as the gateway for this entire process. Its primary function is to gather light rays reflected from a subject and focus them precisely onto the camera's internal sensor. Inside the lens barrel, a series of glass elements work together to bend light, determining your magnification and field of view. Without the lens, light would hit the camera's internals from all directions at once, resulting in a blurry wash of color. By focusing the light into a sharp point, the lens ensures the image is clear and coherent before any digital processing begins. Once the light passes through the lens, it hits the imager, commonly known as the sensor. This is the heart of the digital camera, and its job is to act as electronic film. The imager is covered in millions of tiny light-sensitive sites called photosites or pixels. Its primary function is to convert the physical energy of light into electrical signals. This is the exact moment where the analog world becomes digital data. It captures the intensity of the light and creates a raw electronic map of the scene, documenting every shadow and highlight you see through the viewfinder. The final stage of the process is the recorder, which consists of the camera's internal processor and the storage media, such as an SD card. While the imager creates electrical signals, the recorder's function is to translate that raw data into a viewable file format like a JPEG or a RAW file. It acts as both the brain and the memory of the camera, applying final adjustments to color and contrast before permanently writing the data onto the card. Without the recorder, the electronic signals captured by the sensor would simply vanish the moment the camera is turned off. In conclusion, capturing a digital image is a collaborative effort between these three components. The lens gathers and focuses the light, the imager converts that light into electrical information, and the recorder processes and saves that information as a permanent file. Understanding this workflow helps you appreciate the technology behind every shot you take. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gives you a clearer perspective on how your camera brings images to life.